Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by choosing one large daikon, about 1 lb, and trimming both ends. Peel if the skin is tough. Slice into consistent 1/4-inch rounds or cut into sticks about 3-5 inches long so each piece pickles evenly. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon salt over the slices and toss to coat, then let them sit 30 minutes. This draws out excess moisture and firms the radish. After 30 minutes, rinse the salted daikon under cold water and gently press, or pat dry to remove excess brine before moving to the brine step. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup rice vinegar, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup water. Heat gently and stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Remove from heat and stir in 1 tablespoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric if you want a bright yellow color and a mild earthy note. Turmeric is optional. Let the brine cool to room temperature before pouring over the daikon so the texture stays crisp. Taste the cooled brine and adjust sweetness or acidity in 1 tablespoon increments of sugar or vinegar if needed. Use a clean 1-quart jar and pack the prepared daikon tightly, leaving about 1/2-inch headspace at the top. Pack slices reduce air pockets and ensure even pickling. Pour the cooled brine over the daikon until fully submerged, tapping the jar to release trapped air bubbles, then seal the jar with a lid. Refrigerate the jar. Quick pickles will be edible after 24 hours, but are best after 48 hours when flavor develops. Keep refrigerated and submerged. Properly stored, quick pickled daikon lasts up to 4 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.